Now welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your account. Now you have successfully sent the activation fee to your wallet, which, as I've said, will be reflecting here after you have done that. So for you to now activate your account, what you need to do is to tap on this three bars here, and you go to my account. Tap on my account and then type on my profile. Tap on the profile. Tap on the profile. You can see now all the three accounts has been created for us. This is Profidus, which I advise that if you use, because as we are using it, it's going to charge you 45 naira. It's going to be 45 naira. So, and then you just scroll down, and you get to this point where you see upgrade. So you tap on the upgrade, and this will come out. What you need to do now is to select by tapping on this inverted arrow here. It's inverted arrow here. And you select the package that you want to sign up for, which is, in this case, is Pearl, which is 5,000 naira. Unexpected error. Try again. Just cancel that. Then once you have done that, you just tap on upgrade. Tap on upgrade. And wait for it a bit. This will not work. Why? Because there is no money in this account. Just showing you the step by step how to follow it. So this activation failed. Why does it fail? Because there is no money for activation. But that is the simple process which you need to follow to activate your account. So once you have activated your account, what you need to do is just to get your referral link, and you begin to send it to the people that you want to bring in. As simple as that. You have upgraded your account, and with that, your account is set. It is ready for you to begin to do transaction on it, and for you to begin to get your people to come in. Thank you once again for watching. I will see you in the next video.